This week I'm testing the Audi Q3. It's a small 5-seater SUV. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. In the back of the Audi Q3 there are Isofix in the two outer seats. They are within plastic guides and really nice and easy to connect to. On the back of all three seat backs are top tether anchorages and they're within plastic guides too, lovely and easy to connect. Now I only managed to fit 2 child seats in the back here, however with slimline seats I think you would get 3 across. It is surprisingly spacious. With a rear-facing child seat, I found that about 170cm passenger could sit in the driver's seat, and we've this week had a 182cm passenger in front of forward-facing. In the back of the Audi Q3, storage is quite minimal. There's 2 cup holders in a fold down in the central seat back, however they are really small, and I found they'll only hold a 600ml bottle or a baby bottle. A coffee cup wouldn't fit. There's no mat pockets in the back of the front seats, but there are little wells down the side of the rear seats that I found would hold an iPad nicely. The door bins in the back are quite small, but they'll still hold a large refillable water bottle. In the front, storage is good. There are 2 cup holders in the central console here that will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. There's a small central console box behind and the lid is your armrest. In front of the gear lever there's a phone charging well and you've got 2 USB ports there too. The glove box is a good size, it will hold an iPad and my wallet. There's a little drawer down by your right knee that I found useful for my sunglasses because there's not one in the ceiling. And the door bins in the front will hold a large refillable water bottle. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot of the Audi Q3. Empty, it will hold 11 shopping bags. The Duet twin stroller and 1 shopping bag. The Flex tandem stroller and 3 shopping bags. The Urban Jungle single stroller and 4 shopping bags. The Nano compact stroller and 8 shopping bags, or a small dog. The Audi Q3 is a lovely little car to drive. It is very nippy and very good fun. The doors do not shut first time though, that's really driven me quite mad the week I've had it. But apart from that, it's a really fun little car to drive. The media system in the Audi Q3 is lovely and simple and easy to use. It does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. When you put it into reverse, it's got a lovely clear camera image with all these different angles, and you can mute the parking sensors with this button here and turn it off here. So to sum up with the Audi Q3, it's a surprisingly practical little SUV. That boot space is surprisingly good, media system is fantastic, and you can fit those 2 child seats really nicely.
Read the full reviews at BabyDrive.com.au.